Some netball news now. Sunshine Girls coach Sasha K. Henry Wright says that the development of young netballers is being severely hampered because of a lack of funds. The Jamaicans are set to take on Australia in a 3-match international test series next month.
Do we have enough? No, we don't have enough. And that's just the reality. And the program is lacking because of, and I'm going to say it, because of finances, because really we don't have enough players. So to run the program, to get the players to move from one point, to have a certain amount of numbers, it takes cash. And really and truly, there's a big limitation. Even just heading now to Australia, would love to have more girls heading in. We can't, because we can't fund everything, and that's just the big deal.
Meanwhile, the Sunshine Girls recently suffered a 2-0 defeat to the England Roses in the Vitality Horizon series with an inexperienced squad. However, Henry Wright says experience will return to the squad for the upcoming test series against the Australians.
Well, we know right on the squad we have Latanya is going to be back, Kaden is going to be back. I mean, we had Nicole Dixon coming back into the squad also in terms of the mid-court area. We still without our shooters, and that's going to be a spot where the players will have to rise. We'll have our final selection, and we look forward to name the team shortly for this series.
Henry Wright was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill earlier this week. The 3-match international test series will be the first standalone series between Australia and Jamaica since 2011.